Losing weight effectively can often feel like navigating a complex maze of information, advice, and trends. But there's a proven strategy that simplifies this journey: tracking your macros and calories. This step-by-step guide will teach you how to do just that, ensuring fast and sustainable weight loss. Don't skip any part of this video. Every step is essential and could make or break your progress. Step 1. Understand your caloric needs. The foundation of weight loss starts with understanding your daily caloric needs. To do this, you need to know how many calories your body requires to maintain its current weight, known as maintenance calories. This number depends on your age, weight, height, activity level, and overall lifestyle. One of the easiest ways to calculate this is by using an online total daily energy expenditure (TDE) calculator. Once you have your maintenance calorie number, create a caloric deficit for weight loss. A safe and sustainable deficit is about 300 to 500 calories per day, which leads to a gradual weight loss of half to 1 pound per week. A larger deficit can lead to faster weight loss, but may also result in muscle loss, fatigue, and decreased metabolism. It's essential to find a balance that works for you. Step 2. Set your macro ratios. Now that you have your calorie goal, it's time to distribute those calories among the 3 primary macronutrients: protein, carbohydrates, and fats. Each plays a unique role in your body and affects weight loss differently. Here's a general breakdown to start with. Protein. Around 30 to 35% of your daily calories should come from protein. This helps preserve muscle mass during weight loss, supports muscle repair, and keeps you feeling full longer. Carbohydrates. Allocate 40 to 45% of your total calories to carbohydrates. Choose complex carbs such as whole grains, vegetables, and legumes for steady energy. Fats. The remaining 20 to 25% should come from healthy fats like avocados, nuts, and olive oil. These fats are essential for hormonal balance and overall health. Adjust these percentages as needed based on your body's response. Some women may find that a higher protein intake or slightly increased healthy fats work better, especially during different phases of their menstrual cycle for hormonal balance. Step 3. Choose a reliable tracking app. Tracking your macros and calories becomes manageable when you use the right tools. Apps such as MyFitnessPal, Chronometer, and Lose It are popular options that offer extensive food databases, barcode scanning features, and easy-to-use interfaces. These tools allow you to log your meals, track your macros, and get real-time data on your intake throughout the day. Consistency is key when using tracking apps. Even if you're dining out or eating homemade meals, do your best to log them as accurately as possible. The more diligent you are about inputting your food, the better results you'll see. Before moving on, don't forget to check the video description below for free resources that can enhance your weight loss journey. From tailored nutrition guides to habit trackers designed specifically for women, you'll find tools to make tracking your macros and calories simpler and more effective. Download them today and make sure you're equipped with everything you need. All right, let's get back to the video. Step 4. Weigh and measure your food. Precision is everything when it comes to tracking macros and calories. Start by investing in a food scale and a set of measuring cups or spoons. Weighing your food ensures you're eating the correct portion sizes and helps eliminate the guesswork that often leads to overeating. Over time, you'll develop an intuitive sense for portion sizes, but measuring food consistently at the beginning is crucial. This habit trains your eyes and mind to recognize what a standard portion looks like. For example, the difference between 100 grams of chicken and 150 grams might not seem significant, but can add up in terms of calories and protein intake. Step 5. Plan and prep your meals. Meal prepping is one of the most effective ways to stay on track with your macros and calories. When you prepare meals in advance, you're more likely to stick to your nutritional plan and avoid impulsive, unhealthy choices. Aim to include balanced meals with lean protein, healthy fats, and complex carbs. This combination keeps you energized and satisfied throughout the day. Start small with basic meal prep ideas such as batch cooking chicken breasts, roasted vegetables, and grains like quinoa or brown rice. Portion these into containers based on your macro goals, so you have ready-to-eat meals that align with your plan. Not only does this save time, but it also reduces the mental load of deciding what to eat on the fly. Step 6. Stay flexible but consistent. While tracking your food and sticking to macro targets is essential, being overly rigid can lead to burnout. Life happens. Social events, holidays, and spontaneous dinners out will occur. The key is to be flexible without veering too far off course. If you can't track perfectly at an event, do your best to estimate your intake and move on without guilt. Remember, it's about progress, not perfection. Consistency over the long term yields better results than short bursts of perfect tracking followed by frustration and quitting. Listen to your body, and if one day you're hungrier than usual, adjust by choosing nutrient-dense foods to satisfy you without sabotaging your goals. Step 7. Monitor and adjust your plan. After a few weeks of diligently tracking your macros and calories, take some time to assess your progress. If you're losing weight steadily and feel good, keep going with your current plan. If not, don't be afraid to make adjustments. Sometimes, you may need to tweak your macro ratios or calorie intake slightly to better suit your needs. For instance, if you're feeling sluggish or not seeing results, you might need to increase your protein intake or slightly reduce your carb ratio. It's also important to consider other factors like stress, sleep quality, and hormonal changes, as these can influence your body's response to diet and exercise. Step 8. Stay hydrated. Hydration is often overlooked, but is vital for effective weight loss and overall health. Aim to drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water per day, or more if you're particularly active. Staying hydrated helps your body process nutrients efficiently and can prevent unnecessary snacking, which often occurs when thirst is mistaken for hunger. A great tip is to start your day with a glass of water and keep a water bottle with you throughout the day. If plain water gets boring, infuse it with slices of lemon, cucumber, or fresh mint for a refreshing twist. Step 9. Supplement smartly. While whole foods should be your primary source of nutrition, sometimes supplements can fill in gaps, especially if you have specific dietary restrictions or challenges. Common supplements to consider are vitamin D, omega-3 fatty acids, and a multivitamin. These can support overall health, especially for women who may not get enough of these nutrients through diet alone. Before starting any supplement, consult a healthcare professional to ensure it's appropriate for your needs. Supplements should complement, not replace, a balanced diet. Step 10. Journal your journey. Beyond logging your meals in an app, consider keeping a food and mood journal. This step helps you understand how certain foods affect your body and energy levels. Note down how you feel after meals, whether you're energized, bloated, or still hungry. These insights can help you identify which foods work best for your body and which don't. Tracking your feelings alongside your food intake can also highlight patterns. For example, if you notice feeling sluggish after high-carb meals, you might experiment with lowering your carb intake and seeing how it affects your energy and weight loss. Step 11. Celebrate your wins. Weight loss is as much a mental journey as a physical one, so it's essential to celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Whether you notice your clothes fitting better, an increase in your energy levels, or hitting a milestone on the scale, acknowledging these moments keeps you motivated and reinforces positive behavior. Remember, the path to sustainable weight loss is long-term consistency, not quick fixes. By following these strategies, you set yourself up for success that lasts well beyond reaching your initial goal. If you haven't already, subscribe to ShapioX and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos packed with nutrition advice, meal prep tips, and motivation tailored just for you. See you in the next video.